Hello friends, I am Rashmi Singh and welcome to my channel Unraveling Science. होप आप सबको मेरा चैनल पसंद आ रहा होगा। आप सबके लिए एक गुड न्यूज़ लाई हूँ कि अब मेरे चैनल पे क्लास 9th और क्लास 10th के कंप्लीट वीडियो कोर्सेज विद ऑल द चैप्टर्स एंड द सॉल्यूशंस आर अवेलेबल, सो you can go and check in their corresponding playlist and stay tuned for more of my videos. Thank you for all your support and please do not forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.
Solutions for reaching the age of adolescence, class 8, chapter 7. What is the term used for chemical secretion of endocrine gland responsible for changes taking place in the body? Hormone is that term which is used for secretion of endocrine glands responsible for changes happening within the body. These changes occur in adolescence, are controlled by these hormones. Define adolescence. Adolescence is the period of life when body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity. It begins from the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. This age may vary from person to person. What is menstruation? Explain. The process of shedding of the uterine lining on a regular monthly basis is called menstruation. It starts at puberty. In the female body, the uterus prepares itself to receive a fertilized egg on every month. Due to this, the internal lining of the uterus becomes thick and supplied with blood to nourish the embryo. If egg is not fertilized, then the lining of the uterus breaks down and gets released in the form of blood through vagina. The time period for this is about 2 to 8 days every month. Fourth, list changes in the body that takes place at puberty. The changes that takes place at the time of puberty are as follows: increase in height, change in body shape, change in voice, increased activity of sweat and sebaceous glands. Reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. Development of sex organs like testes and ovaries. Secondary sexual characters like growth of beard and mustaches in boys and development of breast and hips in girls. Fifth, prepare a table having 2 columns depicting names of endocrine glands and hormones secreted by them. So the endocrine glands and the hormones are: first is pituitary gland, which secretes growth hormone. Then thyroid gland secretes thyroxine. Pancreas secretes insulin. Adrenal gland secretes adrenaline. Testis secretes testosterone. Ovaries secretes estrogen and progesterones. What are sex hormones? Why are the names so? State their functions. The chemical substances produced by the sex organs are called sex hormones. In females, the sex organs ovary produce estrogen hormone, and in males, the sex organ testes produce testosterone. Estrogen is responsible for secondary sexual characters in females like enlargement of breast, development of reproductive organs, menstruation. Testosterone is responsible for developing secondary sexual characters in boys like beard, voice becoming hoarse, development of reproductive organs, etc. Choose the correct option. Adolescents should be careful about what they eat because first, a proper diet develops their brain. A proper diet is needed for the rapid growth taking place in the body. Third, they feel hungry all the time. Fourth, taste buds are well developed in teenagers. The correct answer is 2. A proper diet is needed for the rapid growth taking place in the body. Second, reproductive age in women starts when their first menstruation starts, breast starts developing, body weight increases, or height increases? The correct option is menstruation starts. The right meal for adolescents consists of chips, noodles and cake, chapati dal vegetable, rice noodles and burger, vegetable cutlets, chips and lemon drink. The correct answer is chapati dal and vegetables. Write short note on Adam's apple. The larynx or the voice box in males begin to grow at puberty. Boys develop larger voice boxes than girls, so boys have a deep voice. In males, the growing voice box may be seen as a protruding part of the throat, which is known as Adam's apple. Secondary sexual characters. The characters that help in distinguishing a male and female are called secondary sexual characters, which develops at the time of puberty. In males, hoarseness of voice, appearance of beard and mustaches, broadness of chest, growth of hair in genital areas. In females, start of menstruation cycle, growth of breast, growth of hairs in the genital areas, sex determination in unborn baby. Sex determination can be done on the sex hormones that fuses together to make a zygote. Human consists of 23 pairs of chromosomes. Out of these 23 pairs, 22 are same for both male and female, while the last one, also known as sex chromosomes. In males, the sex chromosome is XY, so it produces two X and Y gametes. In females, sex chromosomes are XX, so it produces two X gametes. Depending on which gamete of male fuses with the female gamete, we can determine the sex of the child. So, if X gamete of female fuses with X gamete of male, a girl child is born. If Y gamete of male fuses with X gamete of female, boy child is born. Word game. You can see the grid over here. First across, protruding voice box in boys. The answer is Adam's apple. You can see the arrow over here. Glands without duct. Answer is endocrine. Endocrine glands attached to brain. Answer pituitary. Secretion of endocrine gland. Hormone. Pancreatic hormone, insulin. Female hormone, estrogen. Down. Male hormone, testosterone. Secretes thyroxine, thyroid. Another term for teenage, adolescence. Hormone reaches here through bloodstream, target site, voice box, larynx. Term for changes at adolescence, puberty. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.